7 Dimensions of a Great Dad. Episode 5, Social. The present dad. Showing up is everything. A child was once asked, "What is the best gift your dad ever gave you?" They did not say a toy. They did not say a holiday. They said, "When he came to my school play, I was only in the background. But he came. And every time I looked out from the stage, he was there." That dad did not know that moment would be remembered forever. He just showed up, and that was everything. Part 1. Presence is the greatest present. Not physically in the room, while mentally somewhere else. But truly present, phone down, eyes up, heart open. Your children will not remember the expensive gifts. They will remember whether you are there. Presence is not passive. It is one of the most active forms of love a dad can give. Part 2. The dad the community needs. A present dad does not just show up for his own children. He shows up for the neighborhood. He mentors the young man down the road who has no father figure. In Africa, in our communities, Ubuntu lives through a present dad. I am because we are. A present dad elevates the entire village. Part 3. To the dad separated from his children. For every dad not physically with his children today, whether through distance, separation, or circumstance, your love still counts. A phone call, a voice note, a letter. Showing up from across the ocean is still showing up. Do not give up on presence just because proximity is difficult. To the dad who rearranged his schedule to make it to the game, to the dad who stayed up late to help with homework, your children may not say it enough, but they feel every single time you choose them. Every single time. Happy Father's Day, present dad. You are someone's whole world.